So today I want to talk about the secret to success. So now that we've been playing with the concept of failure and literally playing it as, then we have so far defined that failure is the consequences, the undesired consequences to the actions that you take, and that success is the desired consequence to the action that you take. Now, of course, we want success. We want to be able to have our actions be effective. And we're oftentimes looking the fastest, the quickest way to success. Now, here's an interesting thing. Literally, anything that comes before success is failure. Even if you're getting haphazard results, meaning as in sometimes you succeed and sometimes you fail, consequently, if you're not confident enough to be able to just do it, to perform and succeed, then it's a failure. So if you're getting mixed results, by definition, then you're still failing because you can't rely on your actions in terms of performance. Now, if you're not talking about a professional thing, then it's exploring and therefore it's fine. Actually, in that case, if you're failing, you're still succeeding, right? There's a difference. So from a learning perspective, which is a more important gross perspective, meaning it's the overlying perspective, and then you're always succeeding, right? Because as long as you're learning something new, including the consequences you don't want, you're succeeding, right? So from that perspective, but from a performance perspective, where we have to pass a test, then anything prior to success is failure. So a big effort that comes into is even if we can do something well and get the consequences we want, but once in a while we get consequences we don't want, where let's say for instance you get 70% of the time the consequences you want and 30% of the times you don't get the consequences you want, then we want to stabilize that until we can be confident, right? So if that's the case, then, building on the previous talk that I had, basically, if you just run through all of your failures as quickly as you can, then that's the fastest way to success. Because if you don't avoid the unintended and undesired consequences, and you learn them, and you understand how not to do them anymore, and you have the wisdom about them, and then naturally the consequence is that you can stabilize the desired consequence, then of course the fastest way to success is through failure. And so with that concept, hopefully now your life will start moving forward at a much faster rate, because you won't be avoiding your failures, and that you'll be actually receiving them with joy. And that you'll be actually going straight through them, feeling empowered. Enjoy that sensation and happy success. Thank you.